Hey everyone, so we're gonna make corn in our crock pot. This way it helps eliminate some space. You can still use all 4 burners on your stove and you can use your oven. So we're just gonna take 2 cans of this corn, a little bit of milk, a little bit of butter, and a little bit of sugar. This will give it that corn on the cob, sweet bread and butter taste. We're using the Fiesta Del Monte corn. We're going to use about a tablespoon or 2 of butter, a tablespoon or 2 of milk, and about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of sugar. So go ahead and open up both cans, and we're going to pour the whole entire contents, juice and all, in of the first can. And then with your second can, I drain about half of the juice and then dump the rest of the contents in, because the juice is going to be made up with the milk and butter that we're going to add to give it that sweet and buttery taste of fresh corn on the cob. Next, we'll add our butter, our sugar, and our milk, and then we just simply put a lid on it, set it on low, stir it occasionally, and voila!